folks, it is time for science. Welcome back. This is your screencast for Thursday, April 9th. So we are going to continue to understand the theory of natural selection. What does that mean? Why is it important when we're thinking about the study of evolution? To do that, we'll be doing some more actively learned readings. You'll be taking a weekly quiz to assess you on actually gaining the knowledge from those readings, and you'll also be working on your roadmap today. So let's go ahead and hop into Google Classroom and see what that looks like in context. So we're going to hop in to Google Classroom. Here you see the stream. Obviously nothing new has really been posted except for here's your screencasts and stuff for the week. When we go into classwork, we should see evolution right up top, where we're going to skip past the stuff that we did on Tuesday and take a look at the stuff for today. Number 1, take care of this attendance question. Again, that's open from 7 to 4, so make sure that you get yourself that question answered before that time, so we make sure to count you as present for the attendance. Let's take a look at the actively learn. So today you're doing another 3 assignments. By now you should already be signed in and be a part of the class, so when you click on any of these assignments right here, it just brings you right to the actual reading, and then since you're already in my class, it'll make sure to track it and you'll be getting credit for actually doing these assignments. Besides that, you will also be taking the weekly quiz. So you'll click on this. This will go live on Thursday at 7 a.m. and it'll be another Google form quiz. We'll make it multiple choice so it's easy to grade, and then you'll be able to see your results. As usual, you can use any of your resources and notes that you've been taking throughout the week, but you should not be using Google, you should not be using your friends, and you are really on the honor system here. We're not going to sit there and proctor this quiz, but you should be honest in your work so we can actually see if you understand the material, not if your friend knows it or if Google knows it. The last thing is to be working on the roadmap. You should have already taken a look at the Roadmap to Success assignment on Tuesday and started it. You are now going to be working on the next couple sets of vocab and questions, and you basically just breaking it into smaller chunks. You don't want to be doing this all in one night. That's way too much work. If you're just doing the few little questions each day, you should be in a better place by the time this is going to be due on the 24th. So, I wish you all the best of luck. Please let me know if you have questions. Reach out to me through email, or if it's during class time or office hours, it's probably a lot easier and faster to just hop in during that time. If you're having any troubles with accessing content or you're confused about something, I'm happy to answer questions and give you some help. I hope you all have a wonderful day. We will see you next time. Bye!